So good evening. We're back again. We are back again. We are going to talk about the list of players that are linked to Saudi Arabia's professional football league, the league that is paying a king's ransom to top players that are over and past the hill on the downward trajectory. Seen the best days. They're all behind them, over the age of 30 odd. But they are throwing absolute fortunes at some of these players. And listen, it ain't going to stop anytime soon. It is what it is. They've already signed Ronaldo. He was like the flagship signing. He was like the poster boy to start the revolution, which is the Saudi league. Unfortunately for him, his team didn't win the league. They came second to Nuno Espirito Santo's team, by the way. But we're going to go through some of the players, some of the fees, or some of the money that's being thrown at some of these players. And I found out yesterday there is no financial fair play in the Saudi league, hence why they can do it. I didn't know this. I thought it covered every league. Obviously not. But there we go. Make sure you are subbed to the channel. Big up to everybody who is. As I record this, I'm literally 60 subs away from 11K. Make sure you are liking the video for the algorithm. And check out the video I did earlier on this channel. I'll be doing 2 a day on this channel every single day throughout the summer now, 2 a day. And we spoke about Harry Maguire being linked to Tottenham Hotspur. Oh dear, the banter continues at that football club. So yeah, go and check that out. I'll drop that earlier this afternoon. And yeah, make sure you share the content around. Feel free to donate if you would wish to donate to me. I'm skint. I need the money. I'm joking. But if you want to donate, feel free. But some of the players that are on the list, I'm going to read out the names, then we're going to go through some of them. Leo Messi offered $400 million a year. Boy, to put that into perspective, the highest wage that a football club has paid a football player per year is Leo Messi at Barcelona, 75 million. This is now 400 million. Ilkay Gundogan is linked to a move. N'Golo Kante, 100 million. Sergio Ramos is linked to a move. Sergio Busquets, Jordi Alba, Aubameyang, Iago Aspas, Alexis Sanchez. I see that one drop yesterday. Offering him 200 grand a week. Thiago Silva, Yerry Mina, Roberto Firmino, Adama Traore, Abdoulaye Doucouré, and Wilfried Zaha. There is a lot of players on that list that we know every single one of them. Anyone who watches football on a regular basis will know every single name on that list. But it is kind of crazy how much money they can throw at this. But we know that Saudi Arabia has a never-ending pot of money. And listen, if they want to spend the money, Karim Benzema is obviously on the list. Did I mention Benzema? I did, didn't I? Did I mention him? He's obviously signed for El Ittihad yesterday in a deal worth 350 million. Wow. I mean, shall I dust my boots off? Shall I get the Umbro boots back out? You know, and try and have a go? Like, I'll take 10 grand a week. Like, if there's any Saudi watching this that's representing any Saudi Pro League team, I'll get my boots out. I'm 41 now. I'll get my boots out. I'll just be an impact sub for 2 minutes at the end. Just throw me on for 2 minutes at the end. Drop me 10 bags every week. Job done. I'm here for it. I'm here for it, people. Come on. Sign me up. Sign me up, baby. I'm down for this Saudi Pro League. And listen, I understand why they're doing it. I totally get why they're throwing this much money. Because at the end of the day, they want to try and make a bid for the World Cup in 2030. The only way they're going to be able to have any chance of success is if all eyes are starting to watch Saudi League. Yeah, they get the biggest stars into the Saudi League. But listen, some people think Ronaldo is the GOAT. Me personally, I don't. But each to their own. Everyone's got a different preference. But they've got one of the biggest stars on the planet playing in their league. They've got Karim Benzema, one of the greatest strikers I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, what a footballer, what a striker, top player. You know, they've got, you know, all these other players linked to moves. I mean, Alexis Sanchez, Aubameyang, you know, they're looking at trying to get Messi, Jordi Alba, etc., and N'Golo Kante. I mean, these players are household names, and they've been at the very top of elite level football for a long time. You know, they've just signed the current Ballon d'Or winner. You know, it's crazy, but I get why they're doing it. Nobody was watching the Saudi Pro League. Let's be real with it. Now, all the Ronaldo fanboys and girls out there are watching it, and they're taking a keen interest in it. Now, Benzema's out there. Kante's likely to be joining soon, 100 million per year. And if they throw the money at it, eventually more and more people will sign up to watch it. More and more people will get involved. More sponsors are coming. More eyes will be on it. The more eyes that are on it, the more money comes in. And if they can get 7 or 8 more stars out there this summer, then all of a sudden the league's more interesting. People will go, oh, actually, I might have a little look at that. People that wouldn't necessarily look at that league ever before this happened. So, listen, you've got to rate it. They've got endless pots of money. They can spend whatever they like because there's no financial restrictions. And you have to kind of rate it, man. And let's be real here. It's blown the myth out the water, by the way, that, oh, what a lovely guy. And N'Golo Kante's not about the money. He drives around in a Mini Cooper. Yeah, as soon as 100 million's dangled in his face, he's soon running off to Saudi, though, isn't he? Karim Benzema thought he was going to spend his whole entire career and retire at Real Madrid. And I took a different path, he said. Other things came up. Yeah, 345 million quid came up, my friend. I mean, this is ridiculous amounts of money to kick a football around. Ridiculous. But listen, fair play to him. If somebody offered me 350 or 340 million or 100 million to go and kick a ball round when I'm 33, 34 years old, oh my days. Yeah, where do I sign, mate? I sign now. Yeah, send me over via email, man. I'll do a pre-contract now and email it back. So you got to rate it, man. Listen, at the end of the day, none of these players love the club the way a fan will love a football club. Yes, they'll have an affiliation. Yes, Benzema has the affiliation with Real Madrid, Kante with Chelsea. No, some of these players do have a love for the club, but they'll never love the club how a fan loves the club. But like I've said 1,000,001 times before, everyone has a price. The Saudis know this. They know that everyone has a price. Cool. Benzema, 340 million quid, mate. You're coming to us. We don't care if Real Madrid are going to offer you another year and you're going to retire a legend out there. No, you're coming to Saudi, bro, and we're going to pay you 340 million quid. Yeah, where do I sign? You soon left Real Madrid real quick, innit? Everyone has a price. Yeah, and at the end of the day, take the money, mate. If it's on offer, take the money and run. Yeah, because it is literally a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to earn that kind of money. I'm quite sure Karim Benzema and Kante and all these other stars that are linked have already got pots full of money sat in their bank accounts. They've already got investments, I'd imagine, a lot of them. And they're extremely minted. They could live the rest of their lives right now. If they retire, they could live forever right now and never run out of money. So you've got to rate it, though, man. 350 million quid. And N'Golo Kante is going to be on nearly 2 million quid a week. Just let that sink in. Think how much you earn in your job. Times that by the year. So work out how much your yearly salary is. Yeah, now times that by how many years to make 2 million. Or actually, just get 2 million, divide it by your salary. I'll tell you, it's easier that way, isn't it? Yeah, it takes a long, long time. If not, you might not ever do it. Now, some people might not earn 2 million in their life. And N'Golo Kante is about to earn nearly 2 million quid a week kicking a football around. It's unbelievable when you deep it, man. It is insanity. But it's not insanity to the Saudis. The Saudis want the World Cup. The only way they're going to get any chance of getting the World Cup, which I think it'd be an unbelievable World Cup if they have that there, by the way, because they don't muck about the Saudis. They want the best of the best. They do it the best. Everyone had eyes on Qatar. That Qatar World Cup was insane. Yeah, the stadiums were beautiful. Yeah, the place looked amazing. Yeah, and it's put Qatar on the map. The same with Saudi Arabia. So good luck to them, man. If they've got the money and it ain't going to dent their bank balances, then why not pay the money? 350 million to somebody in Saudi Arabia that's running a football club who's got billions and billions and billions of wealth. It's literally like me and you spending, I don't know, $5,000. It is what it is, isn't it? So listen, it's crazy. Let me know what you think. I've seen a lot of people get negative over it, and they're sports washing and financial doping and me. All of these freedom fighters need to get in the bin. Yeah, they're all tweeting this crap off their iPhones, sitting in their Nike and Adidas trainers. there that they ordered off of Amazon. Good one, mate. Driving their Teslas around, yeah? Good one. Okay, mate. Well, these freedom fighters are a scourge. But it is what it is. Listen, have a wonderful evening, whatever it is you are doing. I'm going to be watching West Ham win the Europa League. Once that happens, I'm going to be ruining Henry Wright. And fingers crossed West Ham do it, man. And Arsenal fans are getting all giddy because they think as soon as it finishes tomorrow, Arsenal are going to bid for Declan Rice. Well, I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care because it ain't going to happen. Anyway, have a blessed evening, people. And I'm out of here. Let me know what you think. Leave it down below. Subscribe, like, share. Get the channel up and rocking. 2 videos a day. Make sure you check out the main channel. They'll be free on there every day. And yeah, the work rate's upped after my 4-day mash-up birthday weekend. No, I'm getting way too old for this crap. So yeah, maybe some Saudis can come in and pay me 10 grand a week to kick a football around. Adios. Ciao.